Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google two-step verification on your Google account step by step clearly. Open your preferred internet browser. Navigate to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email or phone number associated with your Google account. Click on Next. Input your password and click Next. You will be directed to your Google account dashboard. On the left-hand side, locate the security option and click on it. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Find the two-step verification option and click on it. Click on the Get Started button. You may need to sign in again for security purposes. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed. You will be presented with different verification methods. Select the method you prefer, such as a text message or Google Authenticator app. If you choose text message, enter your phone number and click Next. If you choose the Authenticator app, follow the instructions to set it up. For the text message option, Google will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the verification code in the provided field and click Next. You will see a confirmation page indicating that two-step verification is enabled. Consider checking the option to remember your device for future sign-ins. Click Turn On to finalize the setup. You have now successfully enabled two-step verification on your Google account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.